You love watching movies and playing games on your phone, right? This is the Itel S24. This phone comes with a 5000 mAh battery. So first, you can watch movies and play games for hours. Then it comes with 256 gigs of internal storage, enough space to store up to 50 movies at 3 gig each. You would have only used 150 gigs of storage, still leaving you with 106 gigs of storage to take more movies. For gamers, this phone packs 16 gigs of RAM, which is 8 gigs plus an expandable 8 gigs of RAM with the Helio G91 octa-core processor. This combination ensures smooth performance during gameplay and everyday tasks. Gaming on a budget. Yes, this is a budget device, but somehow the rear camera is packing 108 megapixel. I hope I'll see the moon with this camera, while the front camera has a regular 8 megapixel camera. This is a budget device under 200k, and here is the lineup and their prices. It comes with Android 13 with a 6.6 inch 90Hz display. This is a 4G device that comes with an 18 watts Type-C charger in the box, and you can fully charge this device in 2 hours.